everybody, just wanted to show you a quick video. I'm going to harvest some potatoes here. I just pushed over this bucket. Hopefully there's enough in here to get a meal. I see one right here, so I'm going to pull that one off. I just wanted to show you guys. They're probably relatively small, but it's okay. I just want a couple that I could put in a little cast iron with a bunch of other vegetables. So I just wanted to show you guys the potatoes I'm harvesting. Ooh, look at these. They're little baby potatoes, but they're beautiful. Look at that. There's quite a few in here, little tiny baby ones. Ooh, that one's a good size one. See if I can get it out. Look at that. Nice. Never thought I would enjoy harvesting potatoes, but it is the coolest thing to see that you planted 2 or 3 potatoes and how many that it will give you. That's totally awesome. So I wanted to kind of show you guys. Oops, there's another one. What I was harvesting today. Let's see if I could find a couple of more. There goes a nice one. See that? Ooh, there goes some more. Look at that. Beautiful. There's another one right there. So I've got some in here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Hopefully you can see with the camera. I'm trying to hold it steady. Ooh, look at that one. That's a nice big one. That's a really good one there. Pull this out. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful. So I decided to grow them in the bucket because I wanted to make sure I got some. I think that's the seed potato right there. I'm guessing that's the seed potato. Here's another red one. Oh, it's getting hot out here. So I just wanted to show you guys my potato harvest. There goes another one right there. Let's see if there's any more. I think that is it for this bucket. Let me just double check. Oh no, here we go. Look at that. It's more. There goes one. Another little baby one. Another little tiny baby one. Uh-oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. They're hiding in here, so I can't find them. Yeah, that was the seed potato. I think that might be it. I think that might be it. A little tiny baby. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Happy gardening.